Alright guys, welcome back to 𝖩.𝐻 Gaming, and are you currently stuck with this iCloud activation lock screen while setting up your new phone? Well, this is a very common issue, especially when you buy it from the second-hand market or bought your phone from a refurbished market, and most of the time, alright, either someone negligent and they forget to reset the the IDs, all these, or you buy it from a second-hand market and the previous owner they forgot to log out of their iCloud account while resetting the phone, and when trying to set it up yourself, you're faced with this iCloud lock. And most of the time it's pretty unfortunate because you cannot get the previous owner email or password, or they wouldn't want to give it to you for security reasons, obviously. So you're basically stuck with your phone that you cannot use at all. So today I'm going to show you a way that I personally use it myself to unlock my own iPhone 12 Pro, and it works really well afterwards. So the software that I'll be using today will be this software right here. So this is the 𝖩.𝐻one, alright, by Wondershare, and this thing is really amazing. So this thing works on all kinds of issues that you have with your iPhone and even your Android phone as well, but we'll not be diving into this. But this is a very comprehensive tool to help any of your mobile solutions that you have, alright, with any issues, errors, all this and that. But this thing can also, well, obviously does removing of the iCloud lock, which is really interesting feature that this thing has. And I was like, that time I was panicking, I was looking around and I found this 𝖩.𝐻one, and I downloaded it, give it a shot, and surprisingly it works really well without any issue at all. I'm really happy. And after that, I'll be using my iPhone 12 Pro for over 8 months now without any other issues. I can sign with my own iCloud account. I can even have my own update, receive constant update from Apple as well. So the phone runs really fine without any issue at all. I'm really happy. That's why I'm sharing with you guys this Wondershare 𝖩.𝐻one. So without further ado, let me just go ahead and show you guys the software itself, and you guys can see what other features it has, and followed by a quick demonstration of the whole unlocking process itself, so you guys can see how easy and how straightforward the whole unlocking process is. Alright, so without further ado, let me just go ahead and show you guys the software itself. Let's go. Alright, so this is the software itself. As you guys can see, they have a lot of things that you guys can do, or you can screen mirror, you guys can even have phone companion, you guys can, if you have Android, you guys can do all this to Android as well. Alright, but today we'll be focusing on iPhone itself. If I go to Toolbox, and you guys can see there is the screen unlock option over here. So if you're getting this to unlock removing of Apple ID, well, the iCloud lock, well, you guys can use this as well. Just click on screen unlock. Alright, and it will come out, and then you guys can select either Android or iOS. So my one is, today I'll be showing on the iOS version. Just click on iOS. Alright, and they have a lot of different features right over here. They guys can unlock iOS screen, you forgot your passcode, removing of Apple ID, MDM management, alright, and as well as screen time passcode, SIM block, all this and that. They will come with a lot of features, which is very generous of them to include all this, alright, into one package, which is extremely generous of them. But today we'll be focusing on the removing of iCloud activation lock. And what you're going to do, this you can see, is also support the latest iOS 26.1 and iPhone 17, which is really incredible. There's a few software up there that probably does that, but they only support way lower iOS version and much older phones. Alright, so this is really amazing. Alright, and once you click on that, well, you guys can see what you can bypass all this and that, and just click on start. And the first thing you have to do is just to connect your PC, alright, to your mobile phone or the affected iPhone. Alright, once you connect it to it, just follow some on-screen instructions, and it should auto do the unlocking processes for you. So without further ado, let me just go ahead and show you guys the demonstration itself, so you guys can see how easy and how straightforward the whole unlocking process is using this Wondershare 𝖩.𝐻one. Alright, so first thing first, I'll just click on iCloud activation lock like I showed you earlier on, and you guys can see this is my iPhone 17 Pro Max, and it's currently locked to owner. So what I will do is just to connect into my PC, and you'll start to do the verification. So you start verifying, and after verifying, alright, it should detect and just read it and just click on continue. Alright, and you'll start downloading the driver to it. So just wait a few minutes. Alright, this will take about 20 to 30 minutes depending on how fast your internet connection is. Alright, so you'll take several minutes, just wait a while, sit back, get a cup of coffee. Alright, and yeah, so sometimes it will ask you to do certain things to get into DFU mode. Don't worry about that, just give it a while, and it should say bypassing the iCloud activation locked. Alright, and this time you also take a few minutes and your phone should reboot. You'll show some Apple logo, and after a while it should reset, and you guys can see, alright, it says iCloud activation lock is bypassed successfully, and now you guys can finally set up your phone and start using it right away. So this is how straightforward the whole demonstration is. You don't have to do a lot of anything at all. So yeah, as you guys have seen from the whole demonstration process itself, it's very, very easy, very straightforward, and you don't have to be really tech savvy to do so, and after a while, the unlocking process is done, your phone should reboot, alright, and after that, you guys can, set up the phone as per normal and sign with your own Apple ID, and, bam, you can start using your phone right away. So this is a much, much better option, comparing to, going to like those third-party unlocker where they probably charge you like, 4 to 5 times the price, and you have to, spend your time traveling back and forth just to get your phone unlocked. So you're gonna wasting petrol money, time, and you're paying way more rather than you can do this at the comfort of your own home in front of a PC or your laptop, and you can just get it unlocked within a few minutes time, and you guys can use your phone instantly. So this is one of the best way that you guys can get this. Alright, get your phone unlocked within less than 20 minutes time, which is super impressive. So yeah, after seeing the whole unlocking process and you guys want to get this, alright, Wondershare Dr.Fone for yourself and start unlocking the iCloud activation lock that you are facing right now, where you guys can check out this software. Alright, I'll link them the first link in the video description down below for you guys to go ahead and get it right now. Alright, you guys can start unlocking your phone within a few minutes time. So this is one of the most incredible and the most reliable way to do so. There's a lot of software up there, but you don't know which one is reliable, which one doesn't break your phone or damage your phone. Alright, because there's a risk to it, because when you're doing this, some other software which is unreliable or doesn't really work, alright, they might even break your phone, and once your phone is brick, well, there's no way of reviving it, or there's no way of solving it anymore. So so you guys want something that is reliable, safe, and actually tested by me, well, you guys can check out this Wondershare Dr.Fone. I'll link them the first link in the description down below for you guys to go ahead and check it out and get this software for yourself right now and start using your phone right away. So that's all for you guys. If you found this video really interesting and really helpful and did help you out, do give it a thumbs up and comment down below your iPhone model as well. Alright, and that's all for you guys, and this is 𝖩 Gaming, and I shall see you guys in my next video. Peace out.
I don't wanna cry.